room 6415. This is a master suite. And I must say, I've been very excited to see this room. This is a very popular room amongst my clients, and here's why. Two separate spaces. This is your living room. I'll come back to this. And a fully closing door to a separate bedroom. This is a master suite here at Serenade Punta Cana. You can see we've got two big, beautiful king beds, a side table in between, reading lights, television, your storage area, and minibar. There is another access point to the balcony here, but I will go through the one in the living room. So again, two big, beautiful king beds, lots of storage throughout. I'll open this one to give you a little glimpse. You got hangers and a little spot, maybe put your luggage. Got another storage unit over here as well. Lots of drawers. Well, double vanity, two sinks, lots of storage down below. Shower area. Towel rack. And over here, we'll look quickly, is toilet area. So the bedroom area has the two king beds, a shower, double vanity, toilet, two closets, television, desk area. And we're going to go back into the living room area. You can see sofa, chair, a couple coffee tables, another television, desk, and minibar. I'm going to lift up these cushions. So I get asked this question a lot. Yes, this is a sofa bed. So in addition to the two king beds that you have in the bedroom, from which we just came, you have a sofa bed. Now let's check this beautiful, massive balcony. Yeah, two sun loungers, table and chairs, and look, like this is like a whole other room out here. This is absolutely massive. And this master suite happens to have stunning view of the entire resort. You've got the lobby and restaurants there, activity pool, splash pad, water slides. And looking to my right, you have an ocean view. We'll head back into the room. Well, I'm back in the living space. I make my way back towards the entrance of the room. So this is another question I get asked a lot. You've got another storage closet here on the right. Yes, there is another washroom space here. So two washrooms. This one has a single sink, shower, and toilet area. This was a beautiful master suite. This is perfect for large groups, bigger families at Serenade Punta Cana.